Hello everyone. I welcome you all to the last day of our DSA challenge. And the question that we're going to solve today is delete node in a linked list. Just see how long is the question, right? Jitna, okay, I should not use Hindi because uh, um, you know, I'll just keep it for everyone. The longer the question, the shorter the code. I have noticed it a lot of times that how many lines of code, how many lines of questions is given to you is indirectly proportional to the you know what do you call directly indirectly proportional to the lines of code. Trust me. Obviously this is not a thumb rule, but just telling you. Okay, so let's read the question. Delete node in a single linked list. There is a single linked list head, and we want to delete a node in it. Okay. You are given the node to be deleted node. You will not be given access to the head of the node of the list. Okay. All the values of the linked list are unique. It is guaranteed that the given node is not the last node in the linked list. This is also sure. Delete the given node. Note that by deleting the node, you do not mean removing it from memory. We mean the value of the given node should not exist in the linked list. The number of nodes in the linked list should decrease by one. All the values before node should be in the same order. All the values after node should be in the same order. Cool. Custom testing. For the input, you should provide the entire linked list head and node to be present given node. Node should not be the last node of the list and should be an actual node in the list. We will build the linked list and pass the node to your function. The output will be the entire list after calling your function. I know some people did not get the point. So let's just copy it, copy this image, paste it here, right? Pasting it here. You are given this list. Sorry, this node. You are given this node. Okay. You are given 5. Is it the last node? No. Is the node empty? No. Do you see any other 5? No. These are the three prerequisites given to you, that the list will not be empty, the node given to you will not be the last node, and all the integers will be unique, right? So this is important. Why is it important? You will get to know. You will get to know. What is the length of it? As you can see from your naked eyes, it is 4, but here this is the input, this is the output. This is 3, this is 4, right? You have to return a new linked list, or maybe you have to delete that node somehow, that the length of it becomes a one decreased. It becomes one decrease of what the original length was given to you, and this 5 is not, not there in the list. Okay, let's just keep this in mind. I am given this list. I am given this node. I don't know what this node is. I can reach to this node, but then what will happen? What will happen if I just reach this node, right? Nothing can happen. I need to have this node's reference, right? I mean brute force. If you think of a brute force, if you have, done this question, remove the nth node from the back. What did you use? What did you say? If you wanted to delete this node, you reached this node somehow from the head, and then you pointed this to this. But here you cannot do that because you are given only the node, this node only you are given. Okay, okay, no problem. Just think of how you can do this. 4, 4, 5, 1, 9 should look like 4, 1, 9. Only this node has to be not there, right? Okay, cool. I'll say something and just pretend you understand, okay? 4, 5, 1, 9. Let's just say this is the node given to me. Okay. Node dot value is nothing but node dot next dot value. Let's see. This is the nodes, and what is the value? 5. 5, or maybe this value is now it now becomes node dot next. This is node dot next, and its value is 1. This becomes 1. Cool. This becomes 1. This also becomes 1. But hey, I was given somewhere in the question that all the values are unique. Do you think this value is unique? 1 and 1 here also. Okay, good, good. I've somehow managed to do this. Can I also do this? This is the line number 1. This is line number 2. That hey, node dot next, you become equal to node dot next dot next. What does this mean? What is node dot next dot next? It is nothing but 9. What if I point directly to 9? This remains in my memory. As you can see, deleting the node, we do not mean removing it from memory. Is it getting removed from the memory? No, it is still there and it is pointing to null. It is pointing to 9 only. But 159, 419, is this one node that is given to you? 419, one node. Values changed. This also remains in the memory, which is pointing to 9. But are we deleting it from this list? Kind of. Yes, we are, right? How many lines of code did I write? 2. And what do I need to return? I don't need to return anything. Return type is void. Do not need to return anything. Just modify the node in place. In place. Let's just write this code and just try to run it. Okay. I say that hey, node.val, you become nothing but node.next.val. Okay. That means that 5 has now become 1. I'll say that hey, node.next, you become node.next.next. Basically, the next element, the next element. Let's try to run this. Oh, sorry. Oh God, what is this now? What have I done? I'm not even sure. Give me 1 second, guys. Yeah, somehow I managed to bring it back. But yeah, accepted. Let's try to submit it. Accepted, right? Accepted. What is the time complexity do you think? Is this taking any extra space, extra time? No. O of 1 plus. Is this taking any extra space? No. O of 1. So you did this question in just constant time. You just did this question in constant time. Space complexity, not using any extra space. So this is this is the time and space complexity. That is why this question is given. Are you given any? Okay, so maybe you are expected to do it in O of 1 only. I'm not sure. Though it is not given, but yeah, this is that simple. Literally 2 lines of code. Just bring this value to this node and point this node's next to next dot next. That's it. This thing is not going anywhere. This the one, right? 4 5 1 9. This one is not going anywhere, but I'm just saying that hey, you become 1 and your next becomes this. 1 is still there. 1 is still there in the memory somewhere. I'm not sure because I don't have its reference now, right? Because this one's next has now point is now pointing to 9. So I don't have its reference, but it is somewhere in the memory. The garbage collector will do its work. I'm not sure if it will do it because this is see, this is one list. This is one list. So garbage collector might not delete this from the memory, right? Till the time this question is running, this node is running. But again, you know, this runtime is running. I'm sorry, what, not node. This runtime is running, but if you see that this list is a separate list, but I have only this list's reference. That is why this question has become four. This answer has become 459 and sorry 419, not 5. 419. 5 has been deleted because its value has changed, and the one that was here in between we have lost its reference. So length becomes 3 now for this list, right? Let's mark this as done, and let's write the node that, hey, node dot val, you become nothing but node dot next dot val, and node dot next, you become equal to node dot next dot next. That's it. Let's save this, and we have already marked it as done. With this, we complete our 30-day challenge. From tomorrow, I'll do one thing. I'll just, think over what I need to start again. Do I need to continue this list? Do I need to start with binary search, or do I need to start with, where is this? Yeah, DP. These are the three things that are there in my mind. I really want to, you know, start with binary search or dynamic programming, but somewhere in my mind, I'm still thinking that why not complete this list only, and we'll somehow get to, binary search and DP in the list. Let's see what I think of it. Maybe I'll take a day off or not. I'm not sure, but yeah. See, thank you so much, guys, for giving me this motivation to do this every day. I'll see you tomorrow with this. I'll see you tomorrow with whatever, or tomorrow or in the next video, whatever comes, you will obviously be notified. Thank you so much. Bye bye.